With Forex, life can change quickly from being broke, hungry and depressed to having $1 million in your car, cash that you made on your mobile phone, drive a Lamborghini and play with top celebrities like Don Jazzy. This is now the life of Jeffrey Benson, a young Forex trader from Nigeria. But how do these young boys make millions on their mobile phone? What strategy can you use to be able to make millions in just 1 minute? And also, is this actually possible for anyone to start to make millions on their mobile phone? So Forex traders make their money when they predict where these red and green candles are going to go next. Like for example, right here, where you see the candlesticks at the bottom, you ask yourself where the market is going to go next. Is it going to go up or go down? Then you buy or sell. If you predict the right direction, then the market goes into a direction, you make millions. For you to be able to predict this direction each and every time with 100% accuracy, you need to use what is called a strategy. A strategy will tell you when exactly to buy and also when exactly to collect your money and help you to make millions consistently day after day. Since they're going to be making millions with a strategy, you also need to be using a good and reliable broker. So if you want to make millions, I put the link of the broker that top Forex mentors are using in this video description so that you can also be able to make millions on your trading account. Next, you must have a powerful trading strategy. There are thousands of strategies to choose from in the Forex world, and most of these strategies are in the mobile Forex Telegram group, which you can get for free by clicking the last link in this video description. You only need to choose one strategy, master it. But to save you time, today I'm going to give you one of my favorite strategies. This strategy, I use it on the 1 minute time frame and it's 99% accuracy. And today I'm going to show you everything from the analysis, how to find the trades, and also how to find the exact entries that can actually make you $1 million. So first what I do, I come to the charts exactly at New York Open, which is 3 p.m. South African time. And if I'm a different country, this time can be different. So comment below where you are from and I'll tell you the exact time that you want to start to do the analysis, because this is the most important part of the strategy. So now when you open your chart on S100 saying 3 o'clock, you want to mark the lowest point that the market is, and then also at 3:05 you also want to mark the highest candle that you have right here. When you mark the highest point and the lowest point, sometimes the market can be in a range and then you want to wait for it either to break out on the top or to break out at the bottom, just like what it's doing right now. If it breaks to the top, you want to wait for it to come back and then bounce at the upper line and then continue to go up. And if the opposite happens, that it breaks from the bottom, you also want it to come back to this lower line, then bounce from it and start to go down. Right now, we currently don't have a trade, but there are many examples that you can actually look at. Like for example, yesterday, this is the highest point that you have at 3 o'clock, and also this is the lowest point that you have from 3 o'clock to 3:05. So right here, you can actually see the market was in a consolidation and you want to wait until you see a clear breakout like what happened right here. Then wait for the market to come back to this actual upper line and give you a proper rejection to show you that this is a strong area. So now what I actually do is end up the trade right here, put the stop loss 2 to 3 pips below the low of this candle that you are using as the entry. And you can actually see your stop loss is very small, which means you're only risking a small amount. Then your take profit, you put it at 2 times your risk. And right now, all you do is watch your trade go to your take profit level and collect your millions. And here's another example. This is the highest point at 3 o'clock and then this is the lowest point at 3:05. Now you wait for the market to break to the top or down, and right here you see the market breaking to the downside, which means you don't need to wait for a retracement back to this lower line. When that happens and you see a rejection candle or a red candle showing that the market wants to start to go down, and you trade with your stop loss 2 to 3 pips above the high of that red candle and you take profit level at 2 times your risk. And from there, the market will just go into a direction and make you easy money on your mobile phone. Here's another sell trade using the same strategy, and also this one, which was also a winning trade. And then this trade, you can see that after your entry, the market came back a little but did not go below the stop loss and went straight to your take profit. I can spend the whole day showing you one winning trade after the other with this strategy because it's powerful. Right now, I'm waiting for S100 to come back to this actual level, and if you want me to show you live how to actually apply this strategy when the market gets this actual level, comment below live trading and I'll do that in the coming video.